Hi. I don't usually do haul videos, but I am definitely going to today because I got so much stuff after Christmas this year, and I wanted to share it with you what I got. And my purchase came from Scrapbook.com, so I was able to get a bunch of different stuff. One of the big things I got was I got the entire set of the Pearl alcohol inks from Ranger. I got all of them, including so I got all of the pearls in all the different colors. I haven't had a chance to play with them yet. I also got, I'm going to pull my phone out of the stand, so it might get really jumpy for a second. I got the stand itself right here. I got I'm trying the different Nuvo things that I haven't had a chance to, the Dream Drops. I have some different colors in here, and these are the Stone Drops. I haven't had a chance to play with those either. So I have that new stand that's setting over here. This is the big box of stuff. Not everything in that came from scrapbook.com. I've got to get some stuff inventoried. Oh, one more thing really quick. I got all of the inks that are on this end right here, the scrapbook.com hybrid ink pads, and I got all of those in all the different colors. We'll put that back up there so I can talk with my hands free here. I haven't ever owned anything by Catherine Puller, but I absolutely have always loved her stuff. So I bought a ton of Catherine Puller stamps. I got 2 background stamps. This one was illustrated by Shauna Klingerman, which I absolutely love that it tells me who illustrated these stamps on here. I don't see Desert Diamonds background stamp. And this one is Sketch Plaid background stamp. I got a cover plate, and this is Retro Star. I went to the eye doctor the other day, and he told me that I need readers. So I don't have any choice but to actually look under my glasses to see stuff now. And I got My Kind Floral, Explore, New Beginnings, and Mountain of Thanks. And this is a border die that has that feel to it. It's Aztec border die. And I got, what is this? Canyon Mini cover plate. And Wanna Hug. And I have the coordinating dies for all of these too. And here's another cover plate. I really liked triangle cover plate. And this is a big stamp set. Shine On Sunflower. I really love those where I can layer those up. I really do like those. And this is, it's Dream Big. And that says Miss You die. And I really like this because it's a funky border, and then it has the simpler on the inside of it. And this is Sky Scrape Mini Cover Plate die. I really like that. So that's my Catherine Puller stuff that I am looking forward to using. Now, I got a whole pile of, if y'all have watched me for very long, y'all know that I love me some Concord and Ninth. So I have the So in Love. Love that. Coffee Blends. Type Talk. Daily Wear. And I think this was a combination of January and December. And I got the tall type numbers and letters. I really, really like those. And I love that it includes this, the and the happy in there. But I love these alphabets and the numbers. And the Turnabout XOXO background stamp. So happy. Hearts die. And that says Happy Mail. So you could actually put that on the back of a card. Special delivery stamp set. Isn't that cute? And daily wear. This is the die set that goes. I showed you the die set a minute ago. This is all the stamps that are in that. And the Type Talk. So Happy. This is the stamp set that goes with the So Happy. And that says grateful and tug on my heartstrings. You have my hearts. Love 1 cent. And then the annuals stamp set. And the coffee blend turnabout stamp set. Coffee with friends is the perfect blend. Ah, love that. Love that. All right. Then we have the next set of stamps that I got were Pinkfresh Studios. I have had a couple of Pinkfresh stamp sets, but these were, I just went through their collection that is on on Scrapbook.com and just have absolutely loved these stamps. And I do have some dies in here as well. And this is the Delicate Wreath, and it has some beautiful sentiments in here as well. I'm always here for you. I'm always for caring. I miss you. Hello. Big hugs. You've been kind. Thank you. Hello, friend. Grateful for you. And that wreath. I just absolutely adore that wreath. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Then I got the Falling for You stamp set. And look at that contrast of how silly this is and how absolutely gorgeous this is. And I love both of them. I love the silliness and the detail of this one as well. And this one's Hope Your Birthday is Wild. Let's Get Lost. Falling for You. Adventure awaits and live in wonder. Now this is a Radiating Background number 2. And I absolutely love, love, love that. So this is going to give you those just that radiating background and have that center cut out, and it also cuts out the edge of it. Love it. Beautiful. Then we have some lovely blossoms. We have some floral elements. I will be Copic coloring and watercoloring and all kinds of stuff with that, as well as this floral cluster. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Grateful, Inspire, Sorry, Never, Hope, for your thoughtfulness, you, me, given up, hold on to your so very, I didn't mean it. For the things I said, can we be friends again? I hope you know how much you live to and me to be better. And then I got the coordinating dies to go with those florals. And then these are gorgeous. No one compares to you. Hold on to your hope. Never be afraid of change. Those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. Your breakthrough is coming. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. Love, love, love that. And then this absolutely is gorgeous. Beautiful, wonderful, kind. And then that big floral here that will take up the whole background. And this is called Flower Garden. And No One Compares to You is this stamp set. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to use those. And I do have some spellbinders that I picked up from Scrapbook.com as well. I got, this is the new Candlewick Rectangles. And this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 is the finished size on the largest one. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that detail in there. And I will look forward to using that. And I also ordered some Lawn Fawn previously and haven't had a chance to use it. I got the Flippin' Awesome, and this did not come from Scrapbook.com. This came from another order that I placed, and I just haven't had a chance to use it. And this is the Flippin' Awesome add-on, and also I got the Magic Picture Changer front, alternate front that I've been wanting. Also the rainbow to go in the Magic Picture Changer. I got the before and after trees, before and after to go in the one that goes, the slider one that goes up and down, and the trees that the dye. And then I got the kitty cat and the fishbowl, which is the, what is this? Keep on Swimming. And then I also got the Rain or Shine Before and After. I got that too. I've been wanting some of those. There's some more that I want, but I will wait on those for a little bit. And then I have the large die of the month and the small die of the month and the glimmer plate kit of the month from Spellbinders, and I'm going to use these in videos very soon as well. So I'm going to be planning some of that. I just wanted to share with y'all some of the things that I got over the Christmas, after Christmas. I've got a few things, other things. So I've been having trouble with finding the blades and actually just finding this trimmer period. And I think Fiskars has redesigned it and they're no longer offering this one. And I really, really liked this one because this part wasn't plastic, and where my blade went up and down, it wasn't plastic, so it didn't bend, because that actually, you know, those plastic ones will actually bend and give, and I just didn't like it, so I never got a straight cut on them. So this was my favorite cutter, but I think they have discontinued this. So I will probably can use it until I run out of blades for it, but won't use it on camera near as much. So everybody was raving about how much they really loved the Tonic Studios Tim Holtz paper trimmers. And I was like, I'm not a real fan of the guillotine trimmers. I've just never had a good straight cut from them. But because of this right here, where it lifts up and that there's an edge down here and an edge up here, the measurements on it are really, really clear and precise. It gives you the dotted line for the 4 1/4. And I really do like it. It cuts very, very, very well. And it even cuts the teeny, 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 tiny little slivers very well. Just be sure that you're holding this down here and your fingers are out of the way. But I've really enjoyed this so far. So I do highly recommend this. The other thing that I got all of the rest of my distress inks. And yes, I'm continuing to talk because I honestly forgot as I put this stuff up. I got the domed foam applicators from Scrapbook.com. And you can use Scrapbook.com's applicator, or this goes on the, will go on one of the round mini ones as well from the Tim Holtz. And I'm going to be demonstrating these in a video pretty soon and doing some ink blending with these. These are a little bit harder than the foam replacements. It's more of the feel of almost like a makeup sponge, and it's a little bit more stiff. But it doesn't give the harsh line like the round ones do. Like if you ink up the very edge of it and get too much and you start on your paper, this doesn't do that. This, you're able to start wherever you want to. And I'm really, really looking forward to trying these out and demonstrating these for you. And again, these are from Scrapbook.com. So that is my haul, my great big huge haul. And I think that's all I got. I got so much of that stuff. And I've had it for a while, and I've been wanting to share it with you and just hadn't had the chance until today. If you haven't checked out the Scrapbook.com inks, let me show you these real quick. I've used them in a couple of videos, not very many, just because I only had a couple colors because I wanted to try them out before I said anything about them. But they are in sets of 4 for the most part. And they have also a hybrid black. And I'm sorry, that's my mother texting me. I forgot to turn my phone sound down there. A hybrid ink in black and a premium dye ink in black. But it comes in 4 shades here. And they are very, very accurate to what's on the cover there. Let's see, this is these right here. There we go. So that's those colors right there. Caribbean, Oasis, Mermaid, and Deep Sea. I love that Deep Sea color. That's really, really pretty. And the purple, the Crushed Velvet, Mardi Gras, Persian, and Soft Lavender are absolutely gorgeous. I've used those a couple times, and the Mardi Gras color is just like a bright poppin' purple. The yellow I really, really love because that lantern light and that rubber ducky are a true yellow to me, whereas a lot of other yellows are kind of either too orangey or too muddy looking. So I really do like those, but that will be good for layer stamps as well. So I'm looking forward to being able to use those scrapbook.com inks on some projects here in the next couple of weeks. And no, they're not paying me to say that. They didn't even give me this stuff. I bought it myself. And I wanted to try it because I like trying different things. And I think that their products are really good. So I wanted to try it first before I recommend it to you. And I'll demonstrate these as well, like I said, in the next couple of weeks. And I think that's it for right now. And I'm going to hop off here. And y'all have a great evening. Bye.